you can now create images with GPT-4o in Bing.com. So it's not every day I could recommend Bing.com as a search engine, but this is one of those days. So basically, Microsoft just added GPT-4o image generation, which is the model that is now currently being used by ChatGPT to generate images. And I don't think I need to introduce this model anymore, because I think most people know that this model is just very good at creating images. It is also able to render text quite accurately, and in general the quality is just really good. And now you can generate pictures for free with Bing.com, and what's better is that it is actually giving you more credits than ChatGPT. Isn't that really cool? So in this video, I'll show you how and where you can access this tool for free to create images with the same model as ChatGPT. So first, you can navigate to Bing.com, and after that, you can click images, and then go to create. And there you go. So this is the Bing image creator tool that has been around for quite some time, and for the longest time they kept using the DALL-E 3 model, but now finally it switched to GPT-4o image generation. Now to create images, you can provide some prompt, and in this case I'm going to be using this prompt, and then select the model, which is GPT-4o, and then you can click create. Now, there are some limitations. Despite this model is known to be very good at rendering text, and also the quality is very high. Right now, at least in Bing.com, you can only create a square image 1:1 aspect ratio, and there is only one image per generation. So you cannot create multiple images like in ChatGPT, but I think it is good enough for most cases. And it is giving you 15 credits a day, which is actually more than ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT is only giving you like 3 to 5 credits a day. So 15 is definitely much higher. But I'm not so sure that if it is using the highest version of GPT-4o, because there is medium and low version. And I think it is using medium or maybe even the low version of GPT-4o. But I think for most cases, it is good enough. And there you go. So this is the picture that it just created for me, and it looks great. The detail is just amazing, and you can click it and you can see it in a full screen, and you can download this to your computer. So that's how you can use the Bing image creator that is now being powered by the GPT-4o model from OpenAI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.